Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming the hardware and software basics so fast charging can engage. First, plug the original Vivo fast charger and a good USB-C cable into the phone. Cheap cables limit current. Once done, disable power saving and any background app restrictions in settings so the system allows higher charging currents. Make sure battery level is visible and the port is clean. These steps remove common blockers and prepare the phone to accept the fast charge profile immediately. You now enable the phone's charging profile and optimize conditions. Go to Settings, Battery, then More Settings and turn on the fast charging option if present. This tells the phone to accept higher voltages. Next, check for system updates because firmware can affect charging behavior. Once updated, close resource-hungry apps and optionally switch Wi-Fi and Bluetooth off to reduce heat. Lower temperature helps the charger maintain high current. These changes let the charging circuit run at full speed safely. Finish by plugging in and verifying fast charge. After you connect the original charger, check the lock screen or notification area for a fast charging icon or a faster percentage gain per minute. That confirms success. If you don't see it, try a different certified charger and cable to isolate the fault. Make sure the USB-C port is clean and pins aren't bent, and keep the phone cool. If problems persist, update the OS or try a factory reset as a last resort. Start with the simple fixes first.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.